And at the beginning, this was a very small chapel. Little by little, we improved this. And hopefully, we will be able to construct another building in the city where we can be proud as our central temple, where all the members coming from the different diocese can assemble for worship and for General Assembly.
Sagi pangandoy tanang gitinguha ngamungari sa kasing-kasing ko kaysa imong presensya lamang kumatagbaw ug sa matag adlaw gitinguha sa presensya may kaayuhan sa presensya mo, kasiguruhan sa presensya mo, adunay kalipay sa presensya mo, Diyos, sa presensya mo, Diyos.